All right, traders, welcome back. Take a look at this one. This is the dollar index, and we've been here last week, right? Exactly a week ago, and I was basically telling you that price it just broke over a massive resistance. A resistance level. It wasn't just one key level, 97.37 here. It was also backed up by the 200 day moving average, which run across that level to the very last fraction of a point, right? Such an unbelievable precision. So obviously big resistance level, right? And it was, and price was able to break through. And it did that with a very, very small margin. Take a look at the close on this one, right? 97.38. And we were broadcasting right at that point. And what I said was that even though it's far from being a decisive breakout, we think it's a legit one, right? We think that the fact that price is breaking through is not a coincidence, and it's not a false breakout. We felt very confident that price will be able to push forward and head straight to 98.27. Remember this one? Well, we're still looking at this. We're still looking at that key level. That's our primary target for the dollar index for this particular bullish campaign. We think the dollar is heading upwards. And obviously price did confirm that conviction when mostly last Thursday, actually, because during that week, last week, it managed to cross back below that area, and for a couple of days it traded below. It even closed below 97.37 here, right? For a couple of days. That was Tuesday and Wednesday. And then on Thursday it completely changed momentum and just exploded. It's just a small explosion, let's say, but it basically crossed back over 97.37 again, and that 200-day moving average, and then it actually began to move away from that area. Friday was a kind of a confirmation day because it took price away from that area, and of course, the closing bar, right? The closing week, obviously, a weekly. That's what we call a weekly confirmation breakout. Right, price confirmed that breakout, and now we feel a lot more comfortable, having a bullish conviction at this point. Looking at, like I said, 98.27. All right. So as long as price remains, above 97.37, we're gonna hold. We're gonna respect our bullish conviction, and obviously we're gonna reflect that conviction on the rest of the major currencies. I can just give you a few examples right from the top of my head. Dollar versus the Swiss franc, which looks pretty interesting, and also the dollar versus the Canadian dollar, which we got involved just recently. All right, guys. So there you go. Dollar index looking as bullish as ever. We'll be back next week to follow up on this particular case. And we'll give you the necessary update. That's about it for today. Have a lovely trading day. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care.